In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner without spending money on paid ads or needing a website. Have you ever wondered if this really works and is it worth trying this year? Let me show you a method that not a lot of people are talking about, which might be pretty lucrative for you. So let's not waste any more time and dive into a video. First, here's what you need to do. Go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link and sign up using your email address. The sign up process is straightforward, but in this case I already have an account, so I won't show you the whole process of signing up. After completing it, you'll have an account and see a homepage like this. It's very simple. Just scroll down to the community section and click on affiliates. This will take you directly to the Fiverr affiliate website. You can visit this website to get an idea of how much you can earn for each service you promote with Fiverr as an affiliate. They offer attractive commissions, and affiliate marketing through Fiverr can be quite profitable. As you can see, they have free plans, marketplace gigs, which pays you 25% of first order and 10% of future orders. Also, we got pro services. They pay 70% of first order and 10% of future orders. And the third plan is Logo Maker, which pays you $30 for first order and 10% of future orders that your affiliates make. To join the Fiverr affiliate program, just click on the Join Now button. This will take you to the sign up page. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, your username, your password, and select your account type. Make it private. Indicate if you have a main source of traffic. Optionally enter your Skype account. If you don't have a Skype account, that's fine, just leave it blank. And click on next to complete the sign up process. Also, I already have a Fiverr affiliates account, so I'll just sign into my account. Once you finish signing up, you'll be directed to your affiliate account dashboard, which will look similar to this example. This account is kind of new and I just use it in some of the videos. I only have some clicks and one registration. Now what you need to do next is choose a good and profitable services to promote on Pinterest to earn commissions. Go back to your Fiverr homepage. One profitable affiliate link which I would recommend taking a look at is logo design. It is currently very popular. We can check it out on trends.pinterest.com. Just type in logo design and click on this keyword right here. And as you can see, this graph shows us the interest over time. And you can see the past 1 year in this graph right here, but you can choose 6 months or 3 months even, but let's stick to the 1 year. And we can see that this keyword logo design is getting interest the whole year, so it really is a good niche to begin with. And even now this right here is pointed upwards, so the interest over time is rising. Also, if we scroll down a bit, we get a demographic which is mainly female but also quite a lot of male, and we get also popular pins that we can check it out and get some inspiration from for our pins. Now to find it on Fiverr, we can simply go back to our Fiverr account and type in logo design. This will take you to a page with many sellers offering logo design services. Select a service that stands out and promote it to start earning commissions. Pay close attention to this step. Always choose reputable sellers. Look for level 1 and level 2 sellers, or those with many positive reviews, or even the ones that have Fiverr's choice label on them. Let me quickly show you example. Like this one right here, it has a Fiverr's choice label. If people click on your affiliate link and find these sellers reliable, they are more likely to buy the service, earning you a commission. So what I would do is just click on best selling and just simply scan this page, scroll down a bit and search for the best seller you can get. For example, this one, I will create custom company logo design for your business. It has Fiverr choice label on this, only starts from 25 euros. It has more than 1k reviews and they all are 5 stars. Just click on this. As you can see, it has 7 orders in queue, which indicates high demand. This seller has sold a lot of services, showing that people are consistently buying from them. This popularity and reliability make them a good choice for promoting and earning commissions. Now what you need to do is copy the seller's profile link. Just copy the link in this tab, go back to your Fiverr affiliates dashboard, go to marketing tools section, and then click on default and deep links. Now in the default and deep links section, click on deep link, paste the link of that service we just copied, and click on save. And as you can see, we just created the first Fiverr affiliate link. Now the final step is to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go back to Pinterest. If you don't have a Pinterest account, you can simply just create one, just follow the prompts given, and you will be good to go. Make sure that your account is set to business, not personal. If you already created a personal account, no worries, you can convert it to business. It is completely free. You don't have to pay anything, but with a business account, you get a lot more analytics and tools that you can later on use in your Pinterest account. Once you're done, this will be your home feed. Pinterest is a great choice because it has 1 billion monthly visitors, offering immense traffic potential. If you use good and trending services, you can earn significant money from Pinterest affiliate marketing. Millions of people search for specific services and products on Pinterest every day, making it a valuable platform for affiliate marketing. Okay, now navigate to the home feed and click on create a pin. You'll arrive at the pin creation page. Now let's go back to our sellers page and search for a suitable images for our pin. Just scroll through those images and find the one you like the best. For example, these images right here have watermarks, but the first ones doesn't have one. So in this case, I really like this one. It shows that we can make logos for different applications. Click on the mouse right button, open image in new tab, click on the right button and click on save image as. Name it logo design and save it to your computer. Now return to Pinterest, click on choose a file and choose the image we just downloaded. Now we need to provide a title, description and our affiliate link. To do that, we can go back to our sellers page and just copy the title of his service. Go back to Pinterest, paste the title right here. To find the description, we can also copy it from our seller. Just scroll down a bit and find his description. For example, we can copy this part. I will design you a logo for businesses to events. I can pull together an excellent professional looking artwork to be used on any type of print, media or digitally. There are a lot of logos out there, but the great ones always catch your eye and leave a lasting impressions. That sounds awesome. Just copy this, go back to your Pinterest account and paste it right here. We can go back to our sellers once again and just copy this text right here. Go back to Pinterest. Maybe add a gap, do like this. I always recommend adding hashtags and emojis to make your description more eye-catching and more appealing to the audience. Also for this tag section, we can go back to our seller and scroll down a bit and find the section which says related tags and just take a look at those. Logo creation, we can copy this right here or just type it in by hand. Logo creation, or just maybe just search for what we can get. Minimal logo, we can add this one. We can add one more vintage logo. What else we got? We got business logo design, and let's add one more personal logo. Okay, you can add as many as you want. Now the most important part is adding our affiliate link. To do that, let's go back to our Fiverr affiliate account and just copy this link right here, which says logo maker. Just copy this. Now, as you can see, this link is kind of long one and doesn't look too appealing, but there's a way to change this. Let me quickly show you how. Just open up a new tab, go to bit.ly.com and click on create new. Click on link, paste your link right here and click on create. Now, as you can see, you get way shorter link, which looks way better. Just copy it, go back to your Pinterest account and paste it right here. Now, if you want to check it, if it really works, just open up a new tab, paste this link over here, click enter. Just take a look at this. We get redirected straight to our seller and it looks like that everything is working how it should. Now all that's left to do is just choose a board. If you don't have one, just click on create board and name it logo design. Click create and click on publish. Alright, that's how you can begin Pinterest affiliate marketing and effectively promote your affiliate links using free traffic. This approach helps you select profitable services. You can observe its success with active purchases, reviews, and orders in the queue. This popular service is trending on Fiverr, attracting returning customers. Utilize Pinterest's vast traffic potential with its 1 billion monthly visitors to promote your affiliate links and earn commissions through affiliate marketing. As you can see, if someone clicks on this link, will be redirected to this seller right here, and if we order this service right here, you'll get a commission. I've covered many methods on my YouTube channel. Feel free to visit and explore. I share all these methods completely for free. If you're interested in starting to earn money through affiliate marketing as a beginner without a website or paid ads, that's all you need to know. Once again, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.